artist. Yeah, something I have done. Okay. And what else we should? Oh, yeah, we'll go for grass. We'll keep grass. Where is it? Grass. Yes. Yes. We'll keep bricks also to the house. Like this, you can build a house of bricks also. Can hear the sounds? Yes? Yeah. So like this, Nana, you can draw anything, make it fast, download it fast, and draw any picture of your choice in the Tux Paint and share me the pictures, everyone. Now, we need to save it, right? If I want to save it, what I have to do, like here, save option is there. You can click on save. It gets saved. Okay, and if you want to open it, see all the images what I have done, it will show. I can open it. Again, it's open, right? So I will go for new now. Right, I'll take. And now it's clear to you all how to draw. Now, for next coming GA, and Saturday you are having GA, right? So what this week one only you read completely the course book, what enrichment sheet. Okay, week one enrichment sheet. Read completely. Okay, Nana. Now we'll go to page number 7. What is undo, redo, new, open, and save? Other tools. So now we have seen all the drawing tools, right? Now, what are the other tools that are available in TuxPaint? There are the tools like undo. What is undo? Clicking this tool will undo the last drawing action. You can even undo an action more than once. You can also press Ctrl Z on the keyboard to undo an action. Suppose I have drawn something. How many I have do? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 circles I have drawn. Now I don't want this. So what can I do? Here undo option is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 circuits. So in number of how many times you will do that many times you can also undo. If you don't like it, you can erase it, no problem. That is also one option. And undo, simply it will remove the whatever, undo the last action whatever you have done. Okay, so many one, not only one time, any number of times you can undo. Redo means clicking this tool will redo the drawing action which you have just undid. Suppose I have 12 times I have drawn circles and 12 times I have undo. So the same thing I want to redo means I want to do it again. Just click here, redo is there. See here, redo option is there. Whatever I have undone, the same thing will be redone. The opposite, right? Undo means uh, last action will be deleted. Redo means it will be done again. Okay. Now new, clicking the new button will start a new drawing. I have already shown you. New means it will open a new canvas area for you to draw a new picture. A dialog box will appear where you may choose to start a new picture using a solid background color or using a starter image. I showed you already. There are so many options available in the new. See here, solid background means only simple colored backgrounds you are having. And these are the starter images. If you want to start your drawing with image, you can also do that. Okay. And you can also press Ctrl and N. Ctrl plus N opens the same thing. Open. This shows you a list of all the pictures you have saved. See here. Okay, I have opened a new canvas. Again, you can see here open option is there where you can see your previous drawings. It will open. Okay, save means this tool will help you to save your drawings. Already you know this tool helps in saving your current picture. If you have not saved it before, it will create a new entry in the list of saved images. It will not ask you anything like file name. As earlier in MS Paint or whatever it is, it will ask you to give some name to it. In Tux Paint, you know, need not to give any name. Just you click on save, it will be saved in the pictures. Also, you can press Control yes for saving, Control yes for saving a picture, Control N for opening a new drawing area, and Control Z for undo. Remember this? Okay. Control Z for undo, Control N for what is that new drawing area, and Control S for saving your pictures. Right? Shall we go for page number 8? Yeah. Yes. Take out page number 8 in your course books, everyone. Page number 8. Mayuri, take out page number 8. Everyone took. Yeah. You can see this group A, everyone. A1, what is that? NUOD. ORTE. VSAE. They are all jumbled words. You have to write it properly. If you know already, you can write it. Okay, now we will write. What is that? That is undo. 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 This is redo. And this is SAVE, save. NEW, new. Open, OPEN. Right, everyone? Completed? Ananya, you're not writing? It's my next one. What is it? Identify any two tools of the Tuxer Paint that could be used to draw the following. Any two tools which are used to draw the following picture you have to write down. Yeah. So what are the two tools? Group B. This is group B now, right? Paint tool, shape tool. Ananya, you're not writing? Completed? Okay.